This tutorial will show you how to take a green screen and remove it. I'm just going to grab some stock imagery from Envato quick. Go for a drone, so I'll take that one, download that, and let's go for another one to put the drone over. Let's go for this one. So we're in Premiere Pro now. I'm just going to move the clips onto the timeline. Let me just set the size to the frame, so I'm just going to scale to the right size, and then so this is what we're going to do. So we've got the drone over the mountains. We need to get rid of the green background to make it look as if the drone's flying over the mountains. Over to effects, type in Ultra key, drag it onto the clip that you want to remove the green background from, and then you can see it in the effect controls. Just grab the color dropper, drop it onto the green, and there you go.